Hi, I'm Kim Soren, and I'm here to share with you today some tips that the pros use that you can take home to make some delicious and creative meals to share with your friends and family. So today, I'm going to show you how to use rubber muffin pans. The materials you're going to need for our demo today are a rubber muffin baking pan, your favorite cupcake or muffin batter, nonstick spray, and a sheet pan. For those of you that aren't familiar with this rubber baking technology, it's really high tech, but it's really amazing. It is completely heat-proof, oven-proof, and it's dishwasher safe. The first thing that you're going to need to do is take your nonstick spray and liberally coat the insides of the cups. Just a light coating will do. Next, you're going to spoon whatever mix that you want to use into the cups. Today, we're using my favorite blueberry muffin mix. You can bake these nonstick pans directly on your oven racks, but I really like to use a sheet pan. It keeps the flimsy material from moving around. Now all that's left to do is bake your muffins according to the directions on your mix. Now that our muffins are done and cooled, it's time for us to pop them out of the rubber baking pan. I'm Kim Soren, and that's how you use a rubber muffin pan.